Well, Bob, pretty good night for Football Friday night.
Yeah,
what a difference a week makes.
Considering what's been going on, they've had a couple of issues this season thus far.
Yeah.
Things are looking better. It looks like next Friday, though, could be a problem. We have more showers coming in,
well,
so
let's just
enjoy it while we can, right?
Yeah.
We are looking at some decent weather here. Now, red tide report has come out. It came out today from the FWC. Some good news. It was still some bad news, too. The good news is that there are fewer and fewer high readings showing up now across Manatee and Sarasota counties. In fact, just a couple or so in Manatee County and 3 in Sarasota County, and most of those concentrated right there by New Pass. And you can see those numbers again. They're high numbers near Longboat Key and also near Anna Maria, the red indicating 1 million cells per liter. And then around New Pass, stretching down towards Siesta, there were some high categories there, Big Pass, but those have since moved on. So we'll keep an eye on it for you. Right now, there hasn't been a lot of reports of dead fish coming in at this point on area beaches. Van Wezel webcam showing fair skies for the most part, moving in from the east to the west overhead as a result of that east to northeasterly wind component that's been going on all day, and it will continue tomorrow. There'll be a little bit more easterly wind, though, by tomorrow afternoon, and that will allow a few showers to pop up. We have additional moisture coming back into play. On top of that, a little upper air disturbance, a little piece of energy working its way by, especially on Sunday. I think the rain chance is going to go higher, and we'll have better chances for a little bit more widespread scattered shower and thunderstorm activity. So we'll get back to that, I think, on Sunday for certain. 86 now. There are a few clouds around, as you saw with that webcam shot. The dew point 68, the humidity at 55%, the barometer 30.06 inches, and that has been rising ever so slightly within the last couple of hours. 89, though. It's been hot in terms of the temperature, but since the nice, comfortable readings as far as humidity goes has been around, it's been keeping it nice out there. 68 is our normal low. We were at 72 this morning. 47, the record set in 1977, 47 degrees. You believe that? No rainfall to report, and for the month now, 2.52 inches so far. We're still above average, and we'll start to add to that total, I think, especially over the upcoming week. 78 in Jacksonville, 81 in Orlando, 84 now in Miami, and 84 in Key West. And around the area, temperatures all pretty uniform into the mid to 80s to upper 80s in places like Braden at 87, 86 in Venice, 83 degrees at Lake Placid, and the Gulf of Mexico temperature now at 80 degrees. Well, there goes Nicole. Still a hurricane. It's 75-mile-an-hour winds, but expected to be ripped apart here pretty soon by some strong upper-level winds. And not much else going on right now. A little disturbance down south of Jamaica, not showing any signs of development at this point. We'll keep an eye on it. We just have a little over a month to go before the official end of this it turned out to be an active hurricane season, with these last two storms becoming major ones at that. And as far as our overall pattern goes, the Futurecast showing pretty nice weather tonight and just a few spotty showers tomorrow afternoon and evening. And then that should move on. Sunday looks to be okay with showers and storms developing in the afternoon and evening. Some of those could be a little bit more widespread and a little stronger as some additional moisture moves in. On top of that, more energy in the atmosphere. But for the time being, this dry air has been kind of working its way overhead. The upper air disturbance still now making its way across the southeast. And as far as temperatures go, behind that front, much cooler. 68 in St. Louis, 69 in Kansas City, 75 in Dallas. Out ahead of it still, though, into the mid-80s. For boaters, things shape up like this tomorrow. We'll have winds out of the south to start things off at 15 knots, switching to the east to northeast at 10 knots in the afternoon. The UV index will be high at an 8, and the water temperature 80. High tide upcoming at 11:58. Low tide will be at 7:04 tomorrow morning. A few sprinkles are possible. That rain chance of less than 20%. Otherwise, partly cloudy. 70 for low tomorrow. A nice day. 30% chance for late day showers and storms. The extended forecast is calling for showers and storms scattered about Sunday. Don't cancel your outdoor plans. We'll see a few in the afternoon and evening. Better chances come Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of next week.